Assalamualaikum. I'm Amira Natasha binti Ahmad Rushidi. So I would like to present about the troubleshooting on a noisy hard drive. So for the introduction, I would like to talk about the definition of the hard drive, definition of the noisy hard drive, the type of the hard drive, and the function of the hard drive. Hard drive is a non-volatile data computer storage device. It is usually installed internally in a computer, attached directly to the disk controller of the computer's motherboard. And a noisy hard drive is a silent winning due to spin mute clicking due to power change and click as the hard drive works on the data is a normal most of the time. So there are four types of a hard drive, which are solid state drive SSD. The second is parallel advanced technology attachment (PATA). The third one is a serial ATA (SATA), and the last one is a small computer system interface SCSI. So the function of the hard drive is to store data for long term, and data can be computer's operating system, application, personal file, and the program. The second function is to provide the storage capacity effect of a hard disk drive failure. The problem statement. The problem of this study is a noisy hard drive. To be specific, noise from the hard disk drive is a symptom of the hard drive failure in the future. This indicates that components in the hard drive have turned faulty. There are several types of the sound hard drive, like clicking, grinding, vibration, and switching. A hard drive that making noise, clicking, or other noises is a sign of a serious hard drive problem and imminent crash. So here the sample of the sound the failure of hard drive.
The sounds of a failed hard drive.
The problem causes of the noisy hard drive. The first one is a physical damage. Physical damage is the most common cause of the hard drive damage. Noisy on the hard drive will start after the drive has been dropped, exposed to the fires, and many more. The second is a damaged platter. The actuator arms cannot function properly if a platter is damaged. The arm continues to set out a platter but with no success. This constant swinging back and forth to find an intact platter can cause a rhythmic ticking sound. The third is the insufficient power. Poor power is an insufficient amount of power from a defective power supply unit in the one cause of the hard drive noise. The next is the malfunctioning printed circuit board, and the last one is a misaligned read or write head. The head or spindle arm can out of alignment if the hard drive are dropped. The first solution on how to troubleshooting the noisy hard drive is to check the condition of the hard drive. You can click this link or you can use this link. So after click this link, the screen will show like this. Then you click the button download. After the click button download, you can click the zip file. After you download this app, you can check the current condition of the hard drive, whether good, caution or bad. So this app can show about the error rate, spin up time, start or stop count on minimal, so that we can know the current safety of the hard drive. Okay, the second solution is verify it's not another hardware issue. Check the noise coming from the actual hard drive, not from any other hardware component, because there are a lot of other noises a computer can make us may come up with that sound as from the hard drive. The next solution is built in the check software. First, press the window R button and type this command, and the which is pop up this mgmt.msc, and then click OK. Second step is the right click on the partition of the suspect drive and choose properties in the drop down menu like this. The third step is in the smaller window, choose tool step and then click check now. And the last step is the display will show check this meters. If you are using Windows 7 or 8, you need to tick the scan for an item recovery of a bad sector, and then you click on the start. Later will show the information about the software. Okay, for the fourth step is a chkdsk, which is check this. Check this is a command line tool that check this, and also is a utility that checks the integrity of the file and the file structure of the hard drive. Firstly, use check this to check and repair any error the drive might be suffering. The second step is press Windows plus X button. In the menu which pop-ups, left click on the command prompt, then on the right side click command prompt menu item and selecting run as an administrator. The third step is after displaying a fair amount of technical information about its progress, check this will show this report similar to this picture. Okay, for the last step is a recovery data recover. Recovery data recover is a software. Its function recovery data from storage device that suffer one form of a damage or another. You need to download this app. After the download, the first step is choose a location. Open up recovery, and the first thing, see the icon of the drive within and connected to system. Select the drive to be scanned and click start. The second step is scan the location. When the scanning starts, you can either let it run its course, or you can choose certain filter to hasten the process or make it more efficient. In other words, you can choose the specific file you want to be recovered. There is a list of the file that you want to be recovered. Then later you click the recover. The next step is preview and recover the data. The window will show list of all the file that can be recovered. All you needed to do is select particular file, or just select everything with the click of the single button, and lastly click recover. The selected item or file will be recovered from the crash drive and onto a new drive. So for the conclusion, without the hard drive, a computer is no different from a board with a keyboard. We rely on our drive to maintain productivity, communicate with people, and store crucial information. Literally, every aspect of our daily life must involve computer in one way or another. It is thus imperative to maintain our drive health. If we ever see warning sign like the noise it makes, it means something amiss. So don't hesitate to fix it if we can. Backup fight against the drive potential failure is recovery on the crash drive and get everything back right. So that's all from me. Thank you.